web, front end web and mobile. That is also cool and widely used things. Like relevant to our web development. This AWS Amplify is like recently growing fast, and people are trying to use it. This Amplify launching new and new things every day. So this AWS Amplify is a kind of front end and web mobiles. We can say particular service that is mainly used for developing and web application that is supporting a set of tools, and we can say like CLI, Amplify CLI, as well as frameworks ready to use some functions, so we can easily develop like web application securely by using powered by AWS. So we have like some UI components, we have some CLIs. So like it is a kind of uh, we can say like it is a complete platform. It will have a set of CLI, it is have a set of frameworks, so that by using that we are easily able to develop, build, testing and run a mobile and web application. Okay, so this is kind of like cool for front end guys, can easily up and deploy the web application powered by AWS cloud. So this is a cool tool, and going fast. Okay, so now jump into the AppSync. AWS AppSync is one of the really cool and strong services, we can say, that is based on GraphQL operations. So that is also part of front end web and mobile. By using this AppSync services, we are easily able to like implement any GraphQL APIs that will that will have a lot of provider supports. I mean data provider support. So by using this GraphQL, AppSync service, we are easily able to um, uh, we are easily able to um, uh, connect with any data provider. Say for example, let me launch one API for now. Let me yeah, so then AppSync is nothing but like exactly let me show the architecture for this service, so you will get more idea exactly. Yeah, so this is how it's work. Like as a part of AppSync, like from web or mobile application, you are able to call this AWS AppSync services endpoints. That endpoint is that endpoint have a multiple resolvers. Like you are directly able to communicate with different uh, different providers. So like query, like whenever front end call that GraphQL API, like AppSync API, that will easily communicate with multiple databases or even microservices or API from different endpoints. Say for example, whenever any front end call the AppSync endpoint, it will have a resolver, or many different database supported like DynamoDB, Aurora, and also even we are able to do the lambda based resolver. So field level resolver is also possible. So this is a very powerful uh, service, we can say. Okay, so we are able to do some different HTTP call also as a resolver. So that is but that is mainly work with the GraphQL based call. Okay. Same way like the Amazon device farm is was just for testing purpose, for testing on different mobile or devices. I mean iOS or Android and on virtually on the cloud web application. Amazon location service is also newly launched service which is for a location integration. Like if you want to do location based integration, we are easily able to do that as a part of our application.